Some people will go and say, I'm behind you, go sit down for bank.
Yes, now.
When you now, you don't know who they behind you. As you come, you say, excuse me, you're the person, I am the person, but there's somebody behind me. One day, I don't ask any question, I just go line up for the bank. When the person went to my front, we don't remain 2 to go. Like 5 people.
Those are
Those guys went to my front, I said, for what? This one said, I'm behind him, ask him. The other said, I'm behind him, ask him. I'm mad because I get the hopes.
Very
we remain 2 people. Make it reach me.
We not really talk about the matter way and the race.
We are coming to it now. Now, everything is creative in you. The T3 is creative. I'm not talking before, I say, how NEPA people they take? How people they take up light for you?
Yes.
They worry themselves. Then go just time when lights don't go. Where your wire run past the fisher board. On top of your wire, they will go knock name.
You don't talk of before now.
And they knock name.
They tap from there.
They live and there. They know when we want the positive. They don't want to be negative. Now, but if they make mistake, go tap 2 positive. The light is going to do when your radio going to go up or down because that 2 positive where they put for negative.
Your people are good.
No, but we are so creative that as NEPA they come for morning, they don't unhook the wire. As NEPA go, they rehook the wire.
They call them angle. That's what the wire they do every time.
And
don't carry out, don't hook up, bam.
Now, as a matter of fact, come.
You say you were going to talk about
prostitution that are coming to Port Harcourt. We are coming.
No, they're not saying they are coming.
Now, creativity.
What's that?
Creativity in Job have allowed us to be creative even after living there. We continue our creativity, and God has been helping us to survive with our creativity. So that play we could see. Now part of creativity of the play. Do you know the play they call Chiririmba?
What?
Oh. Chiririmba. When I go here, Chiririmba. Chiririmba. Tiana motorcycle. Sabi that play?
That one I play.
In a creativity.
You know one thing is
this play. If you go to see them now,
they go differ.
The one can I go do for computer?
What do you do now? You don't
What of a Ludo? Ludo is not from.
I know
you. Not from creativity.
Not from Job. Ludo not from Job.
Now Job like mentality.
Jesus Christ. Job like mentality.
Job.
This Chiririmba. What is supposed to do?
Play. It's a bit alawalamo one name simbata. Let me show you. Today.
Michael.
Now Job get Michael today.
No use power.
Okay.
You go.
Okay, for then you go push me back.
Fall
back.
the one
where you after we call damn Malio. For you service.
Oh, you sabi for
Kano. Now, they'll throw you
up. You
come back. It's called
God help you if you want to do a person where you don't.
Person will vex for you. Maybe you now won't play one bad play before.
We don't do something before. As you don't go first one, if they come back, they not ground like wood.
But I think that also it's supposed even.
It's a creative game.
They do it.
You put on the
these executive trainings.
Thank you.
To be learn to trust your support group.
Oh, so where did it come from?
Yeah, we did.
Where did it come from?
Do you know this one?
It's a joke like.
Hello, Maskis, check it. I don't
know. Leave that one.
I don't know that one.
You don't know.
Now, there are specific places. Different.
They are really specific.
But all this thing where they talk, if you hear Yoruba people, you know Mobile Fausa.
Wait, now when my first man was there, you can 10 minutes to talk your own. Now, you see the executive directors are not using it to relax their brain or using it to learn trust in each other. Where I come from, Joe Black mentality. Alawalamo, one simbata, abata, oko babe na zulo, asina be na kola, onyocha munye namo,
This is it.
Anjo lolo, bawala jumpoto, awawa, ure, sabidawa.
Like that.
You agree?
See Michael Bongo.
No wonder. Michael always don't come up for alignment. The way they wish it as just alignment, not this way, they again out.
Now,
your waste is gone.
Now, another play. When my mama can't stop us from playing because we'll be children of God. Onyele lanya nazo, mama na abia nazo. We call her my na abia nazo.
My.
What be that play?
Onyele lanya nazo.
Do you guys speak Igbo?
Well, in Job and part of the play will play because we grow with a lot of Igbos around us.
Yes, but that's why most of the estates are named after Igbo.
No, that one are Biafra mentality. No, let us go to that topic. That is why we say today, Biafra cannot happen again. Do you know that Biafra named the whole Port Harcourt Street Igbo?
That time.
Where they call Nanka. Nanka is in Anambra State. Meanwhile, the name of the street is Bakana Street. Igbo people, Biafra name and Nanka. Emenike, Elabuchi, Afipo. Afipo is in Afipo Street, Afipo, Witimoro Street, Okuzu. Okuzu is in Anambra. They want to take over Port. We are waiting for them. When they come back. We don't change all the names back to River State names. They take over to cross over. Don't those Igbos. But we're not going to that discussion.
Yes, we're not going there. So there were majority of them in that Job area. So
plenty. All of them are just, even till today. Go Ilabuchi. All those people they sell sand equipment. Like them. Igbo people now food there. Go to Anozie. Now Anozie Street. Na Calabari name, but now Anozie na Igbo.
Yeah, because we know
somewhere. Then they said, "Aya, where is that there?"
Even the people they repair washing machine and all those things there.
And therefore, Ojoto is in Anambra State.
See,
that is how they took over. Disorganize us.
Fulani style. Now we're Fulani style.
Now we're not. They don't want to discuss it. We'll face it. Now, but back to what I'm saying.
The issue on ground, we say they catch plenty 90.
Even the Mekuku Street for Dila, Mekuku there for Imo State.
They catch plenty prostitutes for Abuja.
No, before the prostitutes. So creativity, I'm coming to your talk. You never know where they go.
Okay.
So the creativity I'm talking about here is the bane of business.
Man, know where Michael they go.
I won't know.
For 1 hour now.
See,
never go anywhere.
We never touch all the other issues because of Michael.
That's why it takes me to come. In Job area, creativity.
Oh, blessed waking now, you are my witness.
Creativity is the bane of business. Now, why do I say creativity? All those play for Job, all those today they don't care to do computer games. Oyibo don't copy all they do. So they Pounded Yam. Oyibo now they produce Pounded Yam machine for us. Then they chop Pounded Yam before. Hello, but they don't know say now our food. That tell you how.
So creativity, we got you. Thank you very much. Amazing.
That prostitute we could listen by 7 a.m.
That creativity.
It's a creativity. That is why I'm going to this morning.
It's money. It's money.
I want that. Michael.
Let me tell you why. Why it is a creative venture.
Michael, no, we have given up on your case.
The prostitute no say in the night you pay 5%.
Plenty.
And many men, many useless ashawo men have realized that in the night, when they call them, I want to wake up. You don't want to wake up.
No.
For Dio, you don't want somebody to be the real one, Dio. By Peter Side, or Tongue, you don't die. I want to wake up. Another day is here. I want to. So, we call those people, I want to wake up. Now, those I want to wake up people. Not only for morning when useless men, hopeless bastard men, where Oga send message or company send to come do course.
When you go drop men for Oga for airport.
Drop Oga for airport.
Because they come back.
Come back, I thank you.
Don't carry Hilux with AC.
Carry Hilux with AC.
Now they understand where Michael they come from.
One more carry useless guests then. Now,
early morning
they wake up. Their eye go clear. Then when they ask themselves, hey, Johnson, now me carry this thing. Even my mama self. Even my grandmama. Because for night, every woman fine for night.
I tell you.
Now, that girl have known that every woman fine for night. And men, useless, hopeless men, they do all those useless. Don't realize every woman fine for night. So that for morning, she now wants to say she fine past the rest. So she has to devise a creative, maybe she don't go like 1 week, nobody carry her. For night.
Okay.
So she needs to find a new way.
Morning call.
People there where they like early morning something.
And competition is less.
It's less. No, you not even there.
So you must carry her.
You must carry her. Don't get choice. If you don't drop Oga for airport.
Well, very soon competition go there very stiff for her. If the ones where they Abuja.
Now go to your talk now. I have made the background.
Thank you for the background.
Say it so that you can argue your matter now.
Yes, they said they don't round up about 900 plus prostitutes for Abuja and they are going to deport them to their home states. Now I say River State go collect her share now. The ones where they
know we bring Amalekites come here.
Why?
Amalekites know they go out.
We will have homegrown Amalekites.
We can have home base. That's why what we need to sing landlord, travel, land, see. They tell all of us to move. There are people who everything about their life on Port Harcourt. So Amalekites now, Our own Amalekites are home based.
They know the Greek going.
Yes, like the one from Edo now, they know saying that they are international Amalekites. Yes, they don't do local things. They play professional. They don't do local things. They are in big clubs. So if they want to return, the places where they feel return to now, I don't want to call any states, but make everybody just use in mind.
Now those states now, get away. That's the headquarters. That is where it is. Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom not bad like that.
Like they know they come out.
No. If they come out, go back. That's
Akwa Ibom.
And they come visit, go back. They visit.
So they are
visiting professors, intra-party agents. Then they come up to Bayelsa, go back. Come up to Delta, go back. Even Calabar, yes. But go and base there. Is Edo. If you there for Edo State, if you there house, if you get, so there's a you know they see your mate, what do you mean their name there?
Osas.
Hey,
Osato.
maybe Osas now boys that are one pass.
Ovie na Delta. He said.
And he saw him. You never see your inmate. He never made their house. He never reached 18. But the thing what they get, you don't get. You just
What did they get?
Yeah, when you don't get.
Anyway,
They need job creativity.
Now it don't have.
we have serious issue that is coming up, Michael.
Who told me that?
They say the Meteorological Department of Rivers State don't warn. Say any moment from now, if nothing no happen,
Something will happen.
Yes. Now this rain will fall for how many days? Especially I think it was Saturday or Sunday. The rain carry things, enter people's house.
You get one place where they say the rain carry motorcycle person.
It's not impossible.
Rain carry motorcycle.
It's not impossible.
The man plus the motorcycle, all he carry.
It depends on the
Yes,
motorcycle.
the rain they carry. You get one man self way they say am for one girl house.
How we
Catch
take
am.
them?
Now you say na flood carry am from.
When they reach the girl house.
Carry am from your own house go the next.
That's a flood that has destination.
When the girl carry am enter the girl room say na flood. They tell complain to your wife say I was here. Now the flood carry me. So we
That's
dey
not
try
the
to
GPS.
we dey try to beg the government to put measures on ground.
But now also the people too now.
Yes.
Where go block the small drainage where they do put for
I
floods.
agree with you.
For where drainage then?
I agree
Anywhere where
with you.
drainage they keep and clean.
Some of them
I know some drainage don't even make sense. Because you go also say start from here, end for here. Where does
That's-
it
You know
terminate?
they go anywhere.
That's
Some of
usually
them self they build fence, cover drainage line. When they know say here now access water access.
Osimagina destroyed certain things.
Hey,
cleared everywhere.
Osimagina, that man was a destroyer.
No,
He's
he
one
was a good destroyer.
that is a good
Wow, he
destroyer.
destroy with
They call him demolition, aka demolition.
People were built for gutter-way, waterway, all those.
for
Osimagina,
roadway.
when he was commissioner for urban development, scatter all those houses.
They call him demolition.
They
That man
call
demolition.
the man, aka demolition.
Anything where you see,
Osimagina.
when no day, even if you stand for bus stop too long, it don't mark you X for removal.
Because
Some
you be like
put
object.
Remove totally. RTP, and all that time for your body, straight.
Remove totally.
Please, the man no dey waste time. Anything where once they don't give him power, say this thing. Once it is on
Na
illegal
illegal.
road, he carry the map of Port Harcourt like
The
this for
waka.
Ijebu.
No, it's
The waka.
blueprint.
In the look am. Once you see your house for right of way or for gas plant location,
For road sef.
pa, Caterpillar get one house for GRA that time.
Now hotel not the house.
Oh, hotel.
When they build up middle of road,
They use the house to divide the road, the street into two.
make one side they close.
If you come this side, you end. Before you go come this other side, the same street you go turn
Go turn
round.
round.
Even build hotel for middle of the road.